Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A modern, luxurious outdoor patio area with a swimming pool. A large, contemporary home with dark stained wood accents and light beige/tan brick walls. The house has large sliding glass doors that open onto the patio. The patio features several lounge chairs, a swimming pool with a multi-level design, lush landscaping with palm trees and tropical plants, and an outdoor fireplace. The colors are warm and inviting, with beige, tans, browns, and dark greens. The lighting is natural, with dappled sunlight filtering through the trees and creating shadows. The style is contemporary and sophisticated, with a strong focus on natural elements. A spacious, modern tropical outdoor living area. Hyper-realistic rendering. A large, light gray concrete and wood structure with slatted wooden roofing. A stone wall, partially covered in vines, and a concrete wall with a wooden slat screen creates a secluded enclosure. A comfortable sectional sofa of light beige/taupe fabric sits on a raised wooden platform, surrounded by lush tropical greenery, including banana plants, ferns, palm trees, and other foliage. The lawn is a vibrant green, interspersed with large, light gray stones and flat stepping stones. The overall color palette is earthy tones with a neutral base of concrete and wood, accented by the lush green plants and the light beige furniture. A small fire pit with burning candles sits on a circular wooden coffee table. A high-angle, full shot of a multi-level modern house with extensive vertical gardens. The house is constructed with a mix of dark gray concrete and warm wood, featuring large windows that let in natural light. Multiple levels are connected, creating an impression of a courtyard or an internal garden within the structure. The walls and roofs are densely covered with lush green plants in various sizes and types, cascading down the sides of the building. The image is well lit, with a soft, warm light highlighting the interior spaces visible through the windows and the growing plants. The surrounding environment includes more dense, lush green trees and foliage, creating a sense of being immersed in nature. A sprawling, lush tropical home nestled amidst dense greenery. The home, with a modern, minimalist design, features a terraced, multi-level layout, with a covered roof partly enveloped by lush green vegetation. Large expanses of glass and light brown wood accents create a sense of connection to the natural surroundings. The decking and outdoor areas are crafted with light-toned wood and stone, creating a cool, inviting atmosphere. A large, natural-looking swimming pool, with water features and a shallow edge blending into the landscape, is a focal point. Several comfortable, muted gray lounge chairs are positioned around the pool and terrace areas. Palm trees and various other tropical plants flourish in beautifully landscaped gardens surrounding the home. A spacious rooftop patio furnished with modern outdoor furniture. Mid-century modern aesthetic with a touch of tropical flair. The setting is sunny, with a beautiful light-filled day. The color palette features warm grays, muted yellows, and earthy tones in the cushions and textiles. The wooden furniture, in a light brown hue, contrasts nicely against the gray cushions and patterned throw pillows. A large, textured, mustard yellow sunshade provides ample shade from the sun. The patio is adorned with lush green tropical plants in various sizes and types, including banana plants, ferns, and succulents. Planters in various shades of dark gray are incorporated into the design. The floor is made of light brown wooden planks. A rooftop terrace with a small swimming pool, lush greenery, and city views. The setting is a modern high-rise apartment complex in an urban environment. The scene is hyper-realistic, with detailed textures on the wood decking, plants, and the dark stone wall. The color palette is muted, with deep greens, browns, and grays, with warm, ambient lighting highlighting the plants. There are modern, dark-colored lounge chairs for relaxation, and various types of tropical and subtropical plants are used throughout, including hanging plants cascading down a wall. Noticeable are the illuminated plantings and the view of the city skyline, including tall buildings, visible through a glass railing. A pergola-like wood structure provides shade and definition to the space. A modern, tropical-inspired home exterior with a koi pond. Large windows open to a lush garden. The home has a contemporary, minimalist design with a dark gray exterior, light beige interior, and a covered patio area. The patio features comfortable, light beige lounge chairs. The koi pond is a large rectangle with dark water reflecting the lush green foliage around it. Variety of tropical plants, including palms and ferns. Water lilies and koi fish float on the pond's surface. The lighting is natural and soft, casting subtle shadows. The overall aesthetic is calm, serene, and inviting, with a balance of natural and modern elements. Hyper-realistic rendering. Use vibrant greens, tans, and browns. A rooftop garden with rust-colored metal planters filled with vibrant flowers and greenery. Mid-level shot, hyper-realistic. The planters, rectangular and elongated, are arranged in various sizes and configurations across a paved rooftop terrace. Lush plantings include orange marigolds, reddish-orange flowers, various greens, and succulents. A variety of trees and shrubs give depth, in shades of greens, oranges, and yellows. A city skyline is visible beyond the rooftop garden in the background, showcasing a mix of modern buildings. Natural lighting casts soft shadows throughout the scene. The paving stones on the rooftop are a mix of gray and dark slate colors. Focus on the rich textures of the rusty metal planters and the vibrant flower arrangements. A spacious, open-plan living area, resembling a tropical conservatory. Large windows and glass doors offer panoramic ocean views, framed by lush greenery and palm trees. The interior features light beige, cream, and natural wood tones, complemented by warm orange and rust-colored throw pillows. The setting is a modern tropical resort or a luxurious private home. The style is contemporary, with clean lines and a focus on natural materials. The plants, both indoors and outdoors, are diverse and vibrant, creating a lush, jungle-like ambience. Natural light streams in, casting soft shadows across the light-colored rug. A glass coffee table sits amidst a collection of rattan and wood furniture, including comfy sofas and armchairs. A high-angle, full shot of a multi-level, modern building nestled within a lush, tropical garden. The building's exterior is primarily dark brown wood and rusty orange metal panels, with black metal framing and railings. Large sections of the roof are covered with a vibrant green lawn, and the walls and balconies are densely planted with various tropical plants, ferns, and shrubs in dark green, light green, and white/cream tones. The building's design is contemporary. A series of balconies and decks, connected by wooden walkways, extend outward, with a sense of depth and enclosure through the layered plantings, showcasing an interconnected urban jungle aesthetic. A sun-drenched indoor space with a collection of lush green plants. Monstera deliciosa plants are the focal point, with large, deeply veined leaves in shades of rich, vibrant green. Other leafy plants, including ferns and palms, add depth and variety. The space is a light gray concrete or stucco wall with strong shadows cast by the sunlight. The light creates an impressionistic effect, with highlights and shadows lending a sense of depth and texture. The plants are positioned in various sized terracotta pots and woven baskets, adding a rustic touch. A pair of dark gray, modern-style speakers are visible, and a dark wooden bench or stand, with light wooden accessories are next to the pots. A woven, light brown wicker armchair is situated in the background in the corner. A vibrant, hyper-realistic outdoor pool area for a children's center, tropical aesthetic. Large orange, circular water features with cascading waterfalls feed into a shallow pool. Surrounding the pool are large, inflatable orange lounging items, and a colorful, patterned, large beanbag. The building is a bright, ochre-orange color with large, round windows, and a light tan-colored structure overhead. The structures are supported by wooden beams and posts. Plenty of tropical plants and palm trees are surrounding the building and the pool area. A covered seating area is adjacent to the pool area, with light-toned wood furniture. A modern, luxurious outdoor patio area with a large house in the background. Step-like decking leads down to a lounge area with comfortable gray sectional sofas and armchairs. The deck is made of warm brown wood planks, with LED lighting strips in a golden hue subtly illuminating the steps and deck. The steps are made of gray stone. The surrounding landscape is lush and tropical, featuring a variety of green plants, ferns, and palm trees. The walls of the house have a dark gray to black exterior, and are adorned with vertical greenery. Glass sliding doors and a balcony allow the interior spaces to flow into the outdoor area.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4 Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.